Mess your hair up.
Oh, yeah.
Kiss.
Go.
Oh, Borja.
Oh. You've left it recording and you're saying fuck all.
Right.
No! Please.
Oh wow, you can see it!
Thick shit.
Well, I'm actually blonde. Look at your face.
Leave me alone.
What do you want me to say which sounds Welsh?
Welsh words.
Yn gyntaf.
Bloody tidy, man.
Bloody tidy.
Bloody tidy, man. I don't know.
Oh, can you stop doing that?
We just don't sound fucking Welsh.
No. I bet like we don't sound. I bet I don't
Mardy
sound
Welsh. You want the Mardy accent? That's bloody Welsh.
They'd be like, because they go like this. Oh, stop doing that, man! You stupid cow!
They don't.
Yeah, they do.
The Mardy accent's amazing. I want it. Cardiff accent's cool.
Oh, I don't like the Cardiff accent.
North Wales accent fucking sucks.
I know.
North Welsh people look.
Pussy.
North Welsh people might as well fucking.
Oh, should we do some? Should we? Ready? Love.
Okay.
Right. What should we have? I wonder if this works. What is it?
Oh. Okay. It's in my eye.
Okay.
Welsh.
Oop. Oh no! It's on my head. Right.
What are we even doing? Seriously.
Yeah, but this is going on YouTube in a minute.
What?
Bam! Birdie! Birdie! What happened? Ah! What the heck? Ah! Okay.
Looks like we've got fucking balls above our head. Damn, scroll down. Scroll. Shh.
Oh, whatever that is. Oh, wow!
It's a copita.
It's a what?
It's a
Punch
helicopter.
Kirsten in the face. Punch Kirsten in the face.
No.
Ow! Mwah! Ha! Ha!
Ha.
Yeah, I know that's funny.
We need to get chipmunks involved. That'd be funny. Georgia, where the
Let's
hell
get
is
Fred.
Georgia? Get Georgia on the phone.
Okay.
Get her on the fucking phone.
Oh, I've got a text off here. What you want? Oh, Catherine, when you answer your phone.
Catherine. Just call Georgia.
Oh, she sent me a picture.
Hi, are you both still mad, lol?
Why have she sent me a picture?
I don't know.
Oh, God.
Oh, God, they're in my hair. Fuck. You got a Paris and roses. Oh, so fucking pretty. Oh.
Right.
The Georgia on the fuck. Oh, I got a bow in my hair. Oh. Come on.
Oh, click that.
An album.
No, other one.
Yeah. Ow.
Hiya, she's on the phone. Hang on.
Georgia. George.
Yeah.
We're making a video, okay? Go normal. Okay? Talk up. Shout.
What?
Cuz, we're making a video for Dave. Because we're sad and I don't even know what we're doing. Like, Lauren's just being Lauren.
Yeah, we're gonna go now.
Killy hair. No, don't. No, I look like a chip. Come here. Lauren's being a chip.
Opening up the beer bottle.
Lauren's being a dick. Yeah. And we're making a video for Dave, so speak up.
Dave, this is how you talk if you just didn't hear that. Right, we're gonna go now. I'm gonna stop this.